How to add music in NanoBanana AI. Thinking of adding music directly into the NanoBanana AI? Let me guide you through what's possible and how you can actually do it. First things first, open up your phone browser. You can use any browser that you like. Here I'm going to use a Chrome. Let's tap on it and let's go to NanoBanana AI. You can see it in my favorite section. Simply tap on it. This is exactly how your NanoBanana AI should look like. Once you're inside the homepage, scroll down until you see an option for AI editor. You can see the prompt engine right over here. You can just tap on this start editing right over here. And that will be giving you an option for prompt input, and there you can see an option for image edit and text to image. Now simply upload your picture from the gallery. An option for adding up images right over here. Tap on it. By the way, you can add up to 9 reference images on this. Let's just add one. Okay, this one. Then tap on done. Now in the prompt section, write the changes that you want to add up to your photo. Let's say add some clouds. Then after you are done, simply tap on generate now. And NanoBanana will create your output. You can see the output right over here. But here's the important part. NanoBanana AI is basically an image editor, which means you can directly add your image to your creation on this platform. So what's the solution is, once your image is ready, download it, then use a third-party app to add music. For example, you can use Instagram. Swipe left to create a story or a reel. Upload the image you have downloaded and then use the Instagram's built-in music feature to pick your favorite track. While NanoBanana AI doesn't support adding music itself, combining it with other apps doesn't lets you create a complete image plus music post. That's all for today's video. If this video cleared up your confusion, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.